Record. Yeah. So good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Parijat. I'm from Biosciences and Bioengineering Department, IIT Roorkee, and I'm currently in third year. And I have made this project alone. Like my team consists of only me. So let's start with the problem statement. So as you know, it was like the problem statement was to fill the gap between the knowledge which farmers have right now, like these days, and the data or knowledge which are available in India. So those data are not reachable to the Indian farmers. So we need to fill the gap using an AI agent. So the AI agentic solution which I have made, I have named it like I have named my project as Krishi-Mitra. So let me share the screen so that I can show you the prototype, which prototype of my project. So yeah, the screen is I think visible. I hope the screen is visible. So this is yeah, the VS Code is already open. So let's run the terminal. I need to run a few files. Like initially, I need to run the Python app.py. Like I need to run my application, agentic application. So this is run, and I need to run this in my virtual environment in which I have made the project. So this is the virtual environment already open, and in a new terminal, which is not necessarily to be virtual environment. I need to host my application. You can say. So I need to do this nagrok http 500. So it will host my project on localhost. Okay, so it is also done. So in a new terminal now, I need to run my main project, which is my AI agent. So Python main.py. Okay, after running, this is what I get, krishi-mitra agent. So this is the uh, developer mode right now. I will show you the user interface which the farmers will get also. So right now, just to tell you that my project is working prototype. So this is the thing. So let me ask a question from my agent in English only initially. So what is the weather in today? Let's say. So yeah, it says that the weather in Turkey today is overcast with so this is uh, the response which the AI gave me, and it's most probably the thing that farmers in India do not understand English language, so they can ask in their own language in which they are comfortable. As we have integrated the large language model as well, which converts the natural language into the understandable language. So let's say I ask in Hindi that मैं गेहूँ कब उगा सकता हूँ. So this is in Hindi, and its response is like it's written. कृषि मित्र says आप गेहूं की बुआई के लिए अक्टूबर के आखिरी हफ्ते या नवंबर के पहले हफ्ते का इंतजार कर सकते हैं. इस समय मौसम गेहूं की बुआई के लिए उत्तम. So this response is in Hindi as well as this response is like accurate, which the farmer can understand. Okay, so this is the prototype, and what about the user interface with face which the farmers will get? So I have used Twilio as the uh, median agent, which will get the query from the farmer and then ask or sends the query to my AI agent, and the AI agent will in response send the response to the to you, and it will respond back to the farmers. Uh, so this will be the user interface which farmers will get. But there is one problem which I need to specify as well as I need to discuss with you. Yeah, and for sure it will be solved in future by me or by someone else like Twilio, etc. So what problem is like, as you can see, this is the official website of Twilio, that console.twilio.com, and I have logged in already. In the free tier as well as paid also the same problem is occurring. In the free tier, I got a US number which starts with +1, of course. So it says that can send and receive SMS to domestic numbers only. So this second point you can read here. To domestic numbers only, this means that to ask to send my query to a farmer to send his query to the Twilio, he needs to be a US person for this particular Twilio number. Okay, because it says that only domestic numbers are allowed. So this is one issue, and also it's like I have thought to get the paid version to show you the proper user interface, but I found that there are no like IJ, I there are no Indian number in Twilio. Okay, so there are no Twilio numbers in India. So this is also one big problem. So this can be solved in future by a few ways. For example, the first way is that if Twilio allows the in a conversation in between an Indian number to a US number, US Twilio number. Okay. So this is one solution. Another solution is that some Indian numbers might also be present in future here in Twilio. Okay, so that is another thing. And then third thing is that we can integrate WhatsApp as the median, between the for the conversation in between farmer and the agent. But that is not preferred, because most of the farmers do not have internet facility. So I have chosen SMS as this. So hoping that this will be solved in future, either by me or by someone else. So this is the thing. I will provide the screenshots to all the documents as well, and I will submit the synopsis. And I have already submitted the synopsis, the long synopsis, and all the documents. So thank you so much. Hoping for the best. Thank you.